Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe that you can make in about 30 minutes. All that coming up next. Hi, this is Joshua and welcome back to Real Life Clean Living. If you're new here and you want to learn more about living a plant-based lifestyle, watch tutorials, listen to advice, and learn more about how you can live a life of purpose, then go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. This quick and easy recipe can be made in about 30 minutes, which leaves you time to work on other things that you want to work on, or just spend more time with your family. I love sharing quick and easy recipes because life gets busy and you don't want to spend all day in the kitchen making one meal. So here's my quick and easy recipe just for you. Recipe: you will need 1 cup of quinoa, 1 cup of frozen or fresh corn, 1 chopped onion, 4 to 5 chopped and minced garlic, can of black beans, and a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. You'll also need a teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of cumin, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You'll also need a cup of vegetable stock. I didn't actually have vegetable stock, so what I did is I took some vegetable bouillon, no salt added, and mixed it with hot water. You'll want to go ahead and drain your beans and add those into the pot. There's no need to drain the fire roasted tomatoes, so go ahead and just add the whole can. Add each ingredient. And when it comes to the quinoa, make sure you rinse your quinoa first. Add your spices and give it a quick spin around with a spatula. That way the spices mix in with everything and they don't just form on top. There you have it. Put it in your pressure cooker, pop the lid on, lock it, and set it for 20 minutes. When it's done, release the steam, open it up, and give it one more stir before you serve it. When you're plating it, I like to serve mine with a little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice. I also like to garnish it with cilantro. You could leave the cilantro out if you don't like it, but what really tastes great is when you put little tiny chunks of avocado on it. I didn't have avocado, so I couldn't do it this time. But there you have it. A delicious, nutritious, great meal for you. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and check out the other videos that we have on this channel. And until next time, stay real and stay clean. Thanks for watching.